เลยพีบารองิบแดงสบายพีชากระทุบคูบอลไม่ตากระจันเมียนชอบบันพาชกิคูบอลแบบนี้ไอเป็ดช่วยกิมัดประกองสันกีปัญชัยตีราชกิดันกับเป็นตาประกองสันบันวันระชักมัดยากับอินเดียกัดเฮาสเนม8,000เศร้าพิญโยองค์มินตรีรังบาดูกรีในเรนดร์โมดีOmdon kanu ka seng ki riu king atiar batmai Meghalaya ong menteri rangba ka jelau konrad ki sangma ya kendu ki dekot ka KHEDC olat ka jela bat kerpat ban ai jing minjur ya ki bel balawan ra ka council Bat la penlong jingya keren kinong job Olympic gold medalist bat kisamla na kajala. Ki kubor ki babnya. Menteri rang padu kari Narendra Modi ulaong bagi panchayati raj ki don ka benta bakong san ban penlong ya ke India kari ka blakio ha karoi kapar. Haba jeng keren ha ka Shashtriya Panchayati Raj Parishad Hadadra Nagar Haveli padaman induling ba ka video conference umodi ulaong bagi panchayat ki long ki rishot jong ka senshar pat ka sarkar jong u ka tre banang penklan chu ya ki Panchayati Raj kat ba ka la ro ban wan ra jeng kala ha ki babon ki benta Menteri rangba ka jelau konrad ke sangma ulaong ba kamdon kanu ka seng ki rio king atiar batmai bat ki khatwei ngut ki bla sha kem ki la kubor ba ki dei ki khot jong ka National Liberation Council of Nongkindong lani NLCN haba pentep ba ka sarkar kala dat banlum jingtep menteri rangba ulaong ba la dep ru ban shim ki kindon bedon kam ha ka ba ya dei bat kani shu usang mau la ban rab ba ka sarkar ka dang yai khmi bnia ya ka jinglong jingman Hakini ki kendiat sengi beladab, lapen long ki jeng tepet, bat layok ban kem ki dekot jong kaseng riu king atiar ni ki jaka beper, bat uwe dekot ubadang hapok ka kat prasnam ka erta layok kem ya na East Khasi Hills.
There is nothing like a new outfit. Actually, they are claiming themselves and they are self-proclaimed. We have enough intelligence on them, and already action has been taken. The so-called in charges of it and the so-called CNCs, self-proclaimed, all of them have been arrested already, and all the people who were in any way connected to them, all of them are under vigilance. We are very close monitoring on the situation. The situation is very much under control, but of course we cannot take things for granted, so we will not let our guards down.
Ka nong ba shalong kala sakhi ya ka jengke jumai kari kabala bo jengkeli halor ka jengtei ki yeng building bon mala wat haba ka Meghalaya ka ha papo ka seismic zone 5 haba keren bakla pathai khubor menteri bedai khmi ka tana disaster management uba akar mention laulaong ba ka sarkar ka khmi bnia ya ki yeng building bala khamrem khamtam gitu ki bedai jong ka sarkar da ka bab tha ekipat ba ban board ya ka building bylaws menteri laong ru ba ka nehi kan yarap ban yada ya ki yeng jongki Shushu ulaong baka jingte ya ki yeng building batamai lakmi dag Meghalaya Urban Development Authority.
Wherever they constructed, it has to go with that norms or they have to fulfill the procedure and the criteria. I have seen even the big construction when it comes to natural calamities, nobody can guarantee. All we can say is that try whenever you do any construction, please go as per the norms and then as per provided and then as per the request from the government so that later on no one should not be blamed to anybody and then no one will lost their life.
Ka kenhon jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ha ka jingelam jong Chief Executive Member uba penyat sing CM hindin ka singi la kerpat yo lat ka jelau pago chohan ban ai jing menjuria bon tili kibel balawan ra ka council haba kren bekla pathai khubor hadien jong ka jingi keduk ba ulan uba penyat sing CM lo ong ba ka expert committee bala thau da ka sarkar jela hakini ki por bala dep kalapen phai pratali kibel da ka ba pan jing penshai sho halor jong ki nakini Hinyo tali kidai halor ka rukom penyat ya ke ilaka na duk kishnong haduk ki hima bat ka way bat kadai ka KHEDC Social Custom of Clan Administration Bill.
So regarding this these bills also, we have expressed our concern to the governor that as soon as we have done with our correction, with all these 8 bills, will be sent again to governor, and we have requested him to give a nod or to assent all these bills. And we're very happy that from the governor's side had expressed his willingness to assent these bills in future, and also will be in a close relation with the KHDC in future.
Menteri ke Kabinet ke Sarkar Assam ubalong ru Chairman ke Regional Committee Piyush Hazarika haringkat usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Meghalaya ubalong ru Chairman ke Regional Committee ubak sniaw balang dhar kila let jurip ya ke jaka khaput ha ke than khanduli ha ke sni balang bat kila penlong jengelang ha ke tega jaka kidkhot jong baro artli ke Regional Committee jong ke Assam bat Meghalaya klai don lang ha ke sien beningkong ban pinbet ya uput usam ha pedeng ke West Karbi Anglong District jong ke Assam but West Giant Hills District jong ke Meghalaya. Ki chairman jong kini ki artli ki Regional Committee klayo ru ya ki dorkas na ki nong mikmat jong ki nong shong shnong ki seng bat ki ken hon na kini ki artli ki jaka.
Yes, I've received from the country especially what are the demands and what are the views. So my duties as a chairman of the committee now, I will submit the report for inspection today to our honorable chief minister. And the same thing from the Assam, so they will do the same things. And then when the committee at the state level of both the chief minister, so then they will take a call how to move forward. And like how chairman from the Assam, as I mentioned just now, obviously we are doing, maybe the committee will decide. The official team will visit all the areas of defense from the particular village, and we will take a view from the people who reside in that area, and then we will take a call against.
Ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association but ka National Fitness Center ne ka singi kala penlong ya ka program jinggemir jingmut ha ka balai shimbanta du Robert Kabas ubalai yok kur tak marupa ka Olympic arteli ka tak maksiar ha ka Commonwealth ha ka weightlifting ha Australia but Olympian na Australia Ian Campbell la Shillong ne kasngi hakani ka jinge kendo kini ki argut ki Olympian kila ai jengmut ya ki nongi le kai halor kumno ban sumar yala kamet habaki le kai ya ka weightlifting bat ki ki jinge le kai shu kila ong ban ai ka jikersan bopura ya ki nongi le kai ban pinjanai shu ya kasap jongki mentapat ni pet ya ka jinglong jaman ka sim lenga Shillong ka jikshit kalong 8 degree Celsius ba ka jingkhat kalong khat pra pon khandai degree Celsius ka jing sngam hau kalong pra poi na ka shis pa men step an ri punyau na ka shis pa janmir kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala ha ki pupon ki jaka shoban poi shu ko chong thup ko bor ni pe byang se sien ki mat pakong san ki panchayati raj ki don ka binta ba kongsan ban wan ra shakmat ke India kat ko usnam 8000 sau punyau ong menteri rangba do kari Narendra Modi omdon kanu ka seng ki rio ki atiar bathmai Meghalaya ong menteri rangba ke Jelau Conrad K Sangma Yakindo ki rekod ke KHADC ulat ke Jela bat kerpat ban ai jing menjut yaki bel balawan rak ke council. Bat penlong jing keren ki long job Olympic gold medalist bat ki samla na ke Jela. Ti perlok dah itu ki kubor lapoi sebuku jong tu kubor jing kita kejanir. Hadu mi de chambe bat pila sai ke sing kublai pi baro.